Hey, this is Mike coming here with a quick Game Creator 2 tip. Say you're working on your latest idle game and you come across, and what you're doing is you are setting the value, and let's just say you're setting the value of your current, this one's a digging related game, so depth, and you see that you're just using on global variable change. So I've got a global variable current depth in there. So on global name variable change, the current depth is being set with your standard set text instruction. So you'll notice that sometimes you get these weird rounding errors. So if I let it run, and then it'll come and it will go, and you'll get these weird errors. So you don't want this. We want to be able to format this to a readable number. So how do we do that? Well, it's quite easy. You also may notice in the hub that there's a few formatting text functions. I could not actually get those to work, so I'm not sure. Maybe they're for the older version of Game Creator, like Game Creator 1 maybe. But Game Creator 2 supports formatting natively. So just using my problem is I'm using this set text incorrectly for formatting text. Set text. So we're going to set text. So we need to say text here. Set the text. Game object value. And then instead of here, normally we would put variables, global name variable. That's what I did. What we want here is number decimal. And then you'll notice this format option comes up. So decimal, and so here we would point it to our variable, which is defined as a number. So there's our current depth. And now I need a format string. So if I want like a floating point with 2 or 3 decimal places, let's say 2 decimal places, I'm going to go with F2. And you can find these formats on the Microsoft C# page. So on the standard numeric format strings page, I'll put a link down below. They have this different format specifiers. So if you go to currency, it shows you what you need to do, some examples of format or strings. So C3 would give you 3 decimal places, C2 would be 2, and it will format like a currency. For mine, it's just a fixed point format specifier, so you would just go F2. F2 would give you 2 decimal places. F1 it gives you 1, etc. So you can get some examples from Microsoft here and then plug them in here. And let me get rid of my old one. And now it shall update the value correctly, how I want it to. Just 2 decimal places, and no matter how long I let it run, it's never going to display all those extra decimals that you saw before. And if I were to change the F2 to a C2 for currency, let's just see what that does. And you'll see it's now a currency, which doesn't really make sense for this game, but you might have a new money related one game that you need formatting for. If you want a percentage, you can use P as your format specifier, and the number will have a percent sign on the end of it. So that's it for this quick video. Hope this helped you out. It was giving me a problem, so I had to search the Discord for the solution. So if this helped you as well, like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.